Okay, so Michael, we were talking recently about the difference between a deadlift and maybe something a lot faster like a clean or snatch. And you talked a lot about context. Explain what you meant by that. Why are there differences? When should we think about differences?
Yeah, so context is important in how you're going to set up or how you're going to finish. When it comes to something like a deadlift or say like a clean grip deadlift, there's going to be a difference in the way you set up depending on what your end goal is. If your end goal is just to pick up as much weight as possible, you might set up with a little bit higher hip angle, and you might be able to lean back into the bar a little bit and get kind of more on the heels. Problem with that, if your context is improved like a snatch or a clean and jerk, that's going to throw you off balance a bit. And that's going to have the bar finishing back rather than up to be in place on the shoulders or over your head.
All right,
so let me show you a couple of examples.
Great.
So if my goal is to get it up to the hip, what I can do is I can leave my hips a little higher, and I can sit back almost on my heels as a counterweight to pull it up. I can squeeze my butt a little bit better, get a little bit more hamstring recruitment out of that. But if my end goal is to get to my shoulders or over my head, I need to set my balance up in a way that I'm able to do that. So if I'm setting up for like a clean grip deadlift, I'm gonna set my hips down a little bit lower, my chest up a little taller, and I'm gonna push with my legs, standing up, sitting back, and tall.
Okay, so much more technical dive into some of the differences, and once again, as Michael talked about context, make sure that you come hang out with us on Saturday, April 13th from 1 to 3 and get more of your questions answered.